Alright, since I can't do the motor mount tonight, I'm just going to buff out the headlights. I'm going to hit them with 400 and 1200 and then hit it with a nice buffing pad. Alright, so with just the sandpaper and the water sanding of it, you can tell the difference in them. Right one's kind of yellowish, left one's nice and clear. It's going to be even more clear in just a sec. I use a buffer, nice pad, and since compound gets hard over time, you got to clean all that stuff off. I usually just use a screwdriver. Alright. Do need to clean all the water off a bit. Here on these edges, around here, a little here. that's about it. These little corners here are a little harder to do, but you could do it by hand. Just take a little bit of compound, put it in the corner, and use a rag. Does almost as good. Otherwise you gotta take the bumper off, take the headlight out, or whatever, but I'm not trying to do all that. We're just doing a quick little buff, and that's it. Nice and shiny again. That compared to that looks brand new.